Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of music, especially in folk, country, and bluegrass genres. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as banjo, 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 banjo. It refers to a stringed musical instrument with a thin membrane stretched over a frame, producing a bright, rhythmic sound often associated with American folk music. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about banjo, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.